So it's essentially three talks. One is going to talk about really genome organization at the 3D level. So in other words, chromatin interacts not only two-dimensionally but three-dimensionally, and how that is being organized and how disorganization or aberrant organization impacts cancer. I think it's a very hot topic, so I'm looking to learn, basically. Another aspect of that is there is this so-called phase segregation theme that is a very topical development. So in other words, it also has to do with organization. So it's just that if you will, molecules are not floating around in a bag of water, but they are organized in substructures. And I think the more we learn about that, the more we understand how that can also contribute to aberrant signaling and malignant transformation. And the third topic, I guess, is really just understanding complex genetics, complex genomics, by using modern technology, going beyond cytogenetics and combinations of cytogenetics and single cell or single nucleotide sequencing. So that should be a good mix. So I hope we'll get something good out of it.